We're gonna do 5 cups of rice. Jasmine rice, one of my favorites. 5 cups, about 7.5 cups of water. We're gonna put that on high, let it boil. The rice is starting to boil. We're gonna get our meat ready. I got 1 turkey. All of this food is from Costco. And 1 pack, 20 ounces of beef. All right, I mean, look. Boom, we're freaking fired up. This is pretty much it. It's so simple. There's no need to complicate this. Put some rice on, turkey, beef. Let's just get into it. So we're gonna come over here to the salt. Just a little plop, little salt on there. A little here, break everything down. I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna add some carrots and an onion. At the High Thumos meetup, I saw our boy Cal throwing carrots in with the beef, with the onions, and peppers, and it just made this. It just made it so tender. So I'm gonna add these carrots and throw in our onion. Wish I had more onions. Love onions. You know what I love about this, guys? It's just so freaking simple, and you feel like a freaking man. You make these. You have meals all week. If your girl needs something, you throw her a bone. You say, "Here, baby, take Daddy's meal prep. You know, I got you." Like you made this. You don't need to go to Chipotle. You don't need to rely on McDonald's. You made this, man, and that's a great feeling. So when our rice is starting to boil, put it on medium, give it a stir, and put this on. You're gonna let that rest for about 12 to 15 minutes. You put it on low. All right, here we are, part of the meat. All right, gonna add spinach. I love adding spinach. Just like that. There's a reason for me doing this. First off, the spinach tastes great. All right, I'm gonna put it in the middle. This is gonna wilt down very quickly. And then I'm gonna add the turkey that's cooked. I'm gonna add that right on top of here. Okay, there it is. Now you can spice this up however you want to do it. There's a number of different ways. I'm gonna keep it simple. Taco seasoning from Costco. Found this gem. Tastes great. We're gonna add it right on top. Boom, there it is. We're just gonna add some water. See here? Now we're just mixing it all together. That turkey with the beef. Again, don't be intimidated. Just because I added some freaking onions and spinach and carrots, you don't have to do any of that. Just make your turkey and beef with rice, okay? And then mix it together. This is just about ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay out our containers. These are all glass. And we have our scale. You do not need one of these, but I like to try to get the same amount of meat and rice in each one. We're gonna do about 280 grams of rice. That should give me about 10 meals. All right. A little over, but you know what? I don't give a damn. And if I do, I'll just take a little out. It's no big deal. I'm not gonna nerd out about this. Just gonna eat good, and move. There we go. I think I'm gonna do about 5 ounces, maybe 4.5 ounces of meat. Let's see. Let's see how we feel. Yeah. Boom. There it is. I got myself 8 meals. Even got 2 for my girl. And guys, listen, so freaking simple. I usually will get home from jiu-jitsu, pop one in the microwave. There you go. You got a great meal. Sometimes if I don't feel like cooking dinner, I'll just pop one in. There you go. Let me show you one last thing before we leave. I know I'm gonna break some hearts, but this right here, this is poverty. Valentia, this is poverty hot sauce, dude. It tastes like when I first tried it, I liked it. Then I got a bottle of it, and I realized that it tastes like chemicals. This stuff right here, this smacks. This is good. Cholula is mid. Cholula, however you say, that's mid sauce. If you guys have a hot sauce, I love hot sauce, put on these. Let me know. I hope you'll try this. If you do, let me know. As always, keep it high, Thumos, brothers. And I'll see you soon. Peace. Oh, yeah, and I got some left. Come on, baby.